Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Granite bracket, where today we're looking at the original 5-pack with Schluter-Curdy board. And these just aren't any boards. They are versatile, durable, and perfect for a whole range of projects. Let's get into it. And there they are. Look at these Schluter-Curdy board. First impressions, super lightweight, super bright. You won't lose these on your project. Each board measures 48 by 10 by 2. Perfect for a variety of uses. And this pack includes actually 5 of these boards, so you can use them for multiple projects. You'll be well equipped for that. Let's talk details. These boards are made from the Schluter-Curdy board. This material is known for its water resistance, which makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. You don't have to worry about moisture damage at all with these. They're also incredibly rigid and durable, yet easy to cut and shape, whether you're making curbs or panels or walls, even custom platforms. I don't know, these boards should be able to handle it all. In past videos, I've shown you how we mark them and cut them and just how easy it is to work with. Hey, and there you have it, folks. The original 5-pack of Schluter-Curdy boards, versatile, durable, and ready for just about anything you could dream up. So go ahead and grab a pack today. 48 by 10 by 2, and you get 5 of them in here.